municipal council people. So once they log in, they have to log in. After login, they have to put the house number of the particular municipal council. I am putting one of my staff who stays in Mapsa only. I am just putting his house number. 13 oblique 16 oblique 16 oblique 8.
You will see a lot of roadworks that will commence in the city of Mapsa. We had started the work from the highway through the district hospital right up till the court. About 50% work is complete. The remaining 50% will start by tomorrow also. The other work is from Hutatma Chowk, Satyahira Hotel right up till Karaswada Junction. So the PWD have assured cooperation, and this would be the best time to complete the road work due to the less flow of traffic.
These POS machines have been provided to us by the Directorate of Municipal Administration. I would sincerely like to thank our DMA, Dr. Tariq Thomas, who has been so proactive in taking up the interests and causes of municipalities, who has been focused on helping the municipalities augment their financial resources and also help us in recovering our dues which are due to the municipalities. So this machine is going to help us. Like right now what we have done is we have loaded only house tax on this. So two of my municipal officials will be going door to door to collect house tax. So right now the payment will be by way of card only. So once the person pays, he gets a receipt. It's similar to what the traffic police is using to challan people for violating the Motor Vehicles Act. Once we see the progress of this, probably in a week's time, what we will do is we will be loading rent also on this. So we will be going to the market also, where the municipality owns shops over there. So we will be collecting rent from the lessees using this machine. As time progresses, we will be collecting other fees and other fines also. But right now, today, what we are launching is house tax by way of payment using card. Then we will be starting with cash also. So person pays cash, he gets a receipt. So what happens when the payment is done, when it's loaded on this machine over here, I will get a record over here who has made what payment. A good feature of this machine is it helps in geotagging also. So when my official visits any particular house and the payment is done, the geotagging of that particular area is done immediately.
आयज आमी हांगा म्हापसा मुन्सिपालिटीन आयज POS सिस्टम आयज लॉन्च केलेलें आसा. Tremendous support from the Director of Municipal Administration along with Axis Bank. Today we have launched this door-to-door service of collection of house tax. It is a great initiative done by the municipality. I would like to congratulate the chairperson as well as the chief officer, accounts officer as well as the municipal engineer for their innovative ways of generating and creating revenue. We are faced with a difficult time where we have the responsibility of reaching out to each and every citizen in the constituency, and with innovative ways we are sure to come out with different solutions. We were one of the first municipal corporations to provide door-to-door essentials, groceries, vegetables, fruits. The same way we are now launching the house tax collection at the doorstep. As the chief officer and the chairperson mentioned, over the next couple of months we will have different more platforms where you can pay your taxes on this through this system.
Places, the clean areas, entries, all that will be captured using this machine. So it will help us because then we can collect more revenue from such establishments, such businesses, such houses which are existing in Mapsa. That is going to help us financially, the municipality. So today, the Honorable MLA, Mr. Joshua D'Souza, he came here to inaugurate this initiative taken by the municipality with the active help and cooperation of the DMA. We thank sir for receiving this.
So the person will select the mode of this thing, card or cash. Then once I select the, I need to pay the this thing. I have to enter the name of the payee. Just enter. Start.
DMN, Director of Municipal Administration, MAPSA Municipal Council, in coordination with Axis Bank, have launched this post solution where it's an opportunity for people जे कोणाचे areas जे has to be in the municipality. MAPSA Municipal Council along with the bank officials of Axis Bank प्रत्येक लोकांची घरा वचून they can do collection of payment through cards initially. But they will implement it accordingly.
State of Goa to start with this exercise. We want to take administration to the doorstep. This is our way of doing it, and maybe another 10-15 days time when the people become accustomed to this, we will stop collection at the municipality. We will encourage people to stay at home. We'll be coming to collect the taxes because it helps the municipality also, because geotagging is done again. And you come here, we don't get any record of your house, your structure, whether it is the same 100 square meters 10-20 years back, now it's become 200 square meters, we don't know what is using this, and geotagging is done, we come to know everything. So we will encourage people to stay at home, we will be coming to the doorstep.